Hello everybody, this is the iPhone channel here. Over here is the iPhone 17e and over here is the MacBook Neo, and today I'm going to unbox these two devices and show you guys what it looks like. So why not? Let's go. Now starting off with the iPhone 17e, the box is quite straightforward. You definitely do know the iPhone 16e, and the design of the iPhone 17e is based on the 16e with the same exact dimensions, but the 17e is 2 grams heavier than that of the 16e. And over here I do have the pink variant. As you guys can see, the iPhone 17e designed by Apple in California, soft pink. And yes, the storage has doubled to 256 gigabytes. So why not? I'm just going to open it. And over here is the 17e in pink. And why not? I'm just going to power it on. And I'm going to show you guys some of the accessories. Over here is a USB-C to USB-C adapter. And over here is the iPhone manual. Quite simple and rudimentary. So why not? Let's go on to the MacBook Neo, shall we? Next up, why not? Let me show you guys the MacBook Neo. Over here is the base storage capacity. This is a 256 gigabyte storage variant, which does not include the Touch ID. But why not? Let me open it anyways. This is 13 inches and it has the A18 Pro, which is what's seen on the 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. And yes, it does include a USB-C power adapter as well as a USB-C charging cable. And yeah. And yes, over here is the MacBook Neo. Let me unwrap it for you guys. And yes, this is what the MacBook Neo looks like. Quite lightweight, to be honest. And over here is, of course, going to be the manual. And over here is the charger. As you guys can see, USB-C. And I believe this is another USB-C over here. So why not? Let's just put these in. And yes, I'm going to show you guys what the MacBook Neo looks like. As you guys can see, this is what the base MacBook Neo looks like. The screen over here. Now, this is quite reminiscent of the older MacBook Air, the third generation one. Not really that similar, but sort of reminiscent because there is no notch anywhere here. I'll show you guys the screen. And yes, you can see the screen over here. And I'm going to see you guys soon. Okay, guys, over here is the MacBook Neo. As you guys can see, there is no Touch ID. And instead, there is a lock button, I do believe so. And over here is what it looks like. And I'll show you guys the specs. So about the Mac, as you guys can see, the A18 Pro, 8 gigabytes of RAM, as well as Mac OS Tahoe, and 256 gigs of storage. And over here is, of course, the 17e. As you guys can see, this is the pink color. And let me show you guys the specs. Yes, also the same storage amount as the MacBook Neo. And yes, it is the 17e. It runs iOS 26.3.1. And the limited warranty would expire next year. So thank you guys for watching. Please give a big thumbs up, subscribe for more videos. And I'm gonna see you guys soon.